Hey, I just picked up this heat gun here. Right here is the on and off switch. It has two different levels, 1 and 2, like that. One of the things I really liked and made me want to get this particular heat gun is that it didn't just have one standard heat. You can actually set the temperature that you want. This one goes from 1, and you see up to 8, and then it says max there. So you simply can twist that and increase the heat. Another really nice thing, this has a very durable, very thick cord to it. And for your workbench area, it has a little rubber hook here that you can hang it up. When using this thing heats up right away. It does not take a very long time. You don't have to sit there and wait for it to heat up. I'll show you here. I'm going to do some shrink wrapping, and it heats up right away. Here you can actually see it working and glowing orange. So there you have it. If you're looking for a heat gun, this one here works very well. I'm really happy with it and think it's a great purchase.